Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change lip color on Snapchat Bitmoji. So first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and here you need to click on this gear icon. So once you click on that, here you can see different options, or you can modify your Bitmoji. So here you can see different options, shoes, and here you need to find the option for the lip color. So I'm going to find the option for the lip color. So here you can see that different options are there, but here is the option to change the lip color. So here you can see that how easily I can change lip color. So I want in green, like, so here you can see it is changed, and then you need to click on save on the right top, and now you can see that your Bitmoji lip color is changed. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.